Okay, welcome back. This video, second part, building your own dashboard, part number 2. In the last video, I think if you notice that I made a mistake in the word original, so this time I will just correct that. I will put I missed putting I. So let me. I just did that. I corrected. Now that is. Then you double the little square there, you double click, so it will be populated the entire sheet. Now we have it correct. Okay, now how can you take and build? I know that they are already dashboard here. Tags has its own dashboard, but what I want is part of this class is to get acquainted with data literacies. So. And how you can analyze tweets data, how can you build your own dashboard, how can you present that dashboard to decision makers. So basically what you need to do, go to Google and then type what do you need to type Google, not this. Okay, so it's text, not a free. Okay, so this. Let me type that. You need to type Google Data Studio. Just type Google Data Studio. Okay, just type Google Data Studio. Type Google Data Studio and then click enter. Click enter. You will get the first result. That is the result that you want. Data Studio products. This is what you need. Okay, you need this. This is what you need. Google Data Studio. Click on that. Okay. Let's wait. Okay, so you get this page. You need to click on create blank. This I'm just introducing you to this. You can have fun. You can play with it. Click on blank report. Get started. I acknowledge. Okay, terms and conditions. You might want to read that. This is not my first time I use this. Okay. Sign up for email to get the most out of Google Data Studio. Not for now. This is not for now. Not for now. No, thank you. Okay, done. Okay, I'm there. Now what to do? Now I can say blank report. Build a blank report again. Now see, now it opens a Data Studio. Now, how to do that? The first step is you need to connect your data set. There are multiple sources of data online, from Twitter. Even if you want Twitter, this Google Studio allows you, by the way. You can just curate directly from Twitter, from MySQL, from everywhere. I mean, just type here, for example, I think there is a tool, social data. I don't know. There is social media. I don't know if they have removed it. But for now, let me go and say our data set, the tags is saved in our Google Drive. So we say from Google Sheet. You must store it in Google Sheet. Google Sheets, this is what we need. So, but before you do that, you need to allow Google Data Studio to access again your Google Drive to read your Google Sheets. Say authorize. Click on authorize. Okay. Now then it tells you which data set do you want to connect your current report. Okay, I'm saying this one. Interaction about, you can even type it here, interaction about fintech. Okay, and then read everything, say add. Use the first row as header. If the first row doesn't have variable names, don't check that. Say add to report. Khalas. Now this is the dashboard. Now we already have our data set here. Now we need to build our own data set. You can create a title, you can add here, you can put a logo, you can put everything, you can put a text, pie chart, you can give a title to your dashboard. Okay, so you can increase the font on the right side. Say, okay, I will just increase it more. So this is my first dashboard. Okay, you can highlight it, you can center. Okay, now what do we need to, this one, just, we don't need this one, create. We need to see the sample size. What is the sample size? Again, you go on top here. This is the step. You can see, you go here, say add chart. Click on add a chart. There are many types of charts. Okay, let me click. You can see now there are many types. Which one do you want? You can add a table. You can add a sample size, like the number of rows. You can add bar chart, pie charts. What I will add, do you remember we had a column in that the tags Google Sheet says original tweets and retweets. So let's take, for example, a donut chart. This one, you click on that. Okay, like this. This is donut. Okay, what do I want from here? I want now it gives me like all variables. No, I don't want that. I want let me see, I don't want this one. I will remove that. Okay, so basically keep in mind, let me go back again. I need to create donut, but a donut chart. If you see here that I don't see any labels, any variable names. I only see tags, record count. Because keep in mind, let me go to original data set. Can you see here that how many sheets do we have? Let me zoom that. We have our first sheet is the original one. We have archive, we have summary, and then we have dashboard. So basically, what is it that you need? You need archive. You need archive sheet. You need the Google Data Studio to read this particular sheet. So how do you do that? This is something I forgot myself to do it. So how do you do that? You go to resource. No, you don't. You can actually update from here, but easy way is the right side. You can see here. You go here. It says data source. You click on this pen. You click on this one. Then you will change the data set. Okay. So let me click on that pen. Click. See, when I click, what do you see here? You see many things, but I want you to click on the edit. Click on edit connection, because right now it is connected to the wrong sheet. I need to click on edit connection, this one. Okay, edit connection. Now I'm here. It asks me now, okay, you are connected with a data set called interaction about fintech. Yes, which is true, but again, I want worksheet. I want it to be, don't use readme settings, the first worksheet. I want this archive. I want to be connected to the archive. This is where I have all my tweets, around 3,000. Click on archive, okay? I will click on archive. Click on archive, then come to top here, click on reconnect. See this one? Click on reconnect. Click on reconnect. Okay, so let's see what happens. Now you can see here that archive sheet is already connected. I have type, the one that I have original and retweet. I have the text, created, time. All other column names or the variables are here. Excellent. By the way, you can click on each one and then change the type. Before you do that, you can change the type later on. But for now, say OK. Apply. Yes, here how you change the type. For example, this is very important. Sometimes if it is a time, you must click here and say this is a date and time, you know. If it is a numeric, the variable, say it is variable, okay, numeric. Okay, but for now, just Google tries to automatically identify whether it is a date or not. So, for example, this one, it says it is date, you know. If it's text, we will discuss later how you can now. Okay, since I'm already here, let's go here. Can you see there is a location? Where is location? Okay, let me go here back again. See, there is a variable name. Where is it? There is a variable name called location. Can you see a variable name called user location? Some users, they identify where they are from. Some of them they write Oman, United States, you know, UK. So we need to tell Google Data Studio that this treat this column variable as a geo variable, like coordinates. Okay, so to do that, so it's global, but some people identify here. You can see some people have missing, did not identify, but other people have identified that this person is from Paris. Some other people from New York here. So we need to go back to Google Data Studio and find that user location. Where is user count? User location. Where is user location? Let me increase this one. User location. Yes, this one. I don't know if you can see, but yes, user location. This one here. User location. Yes. User location, you can see this one. The current type is, it says it is text. The current type is text. No, you need to change. The current type shouldn't be text. It is not make it what? Click on that and say it is geo. Okay, it is not, I know it is text, but say it is geo. You see, it is geography. So Google can get X and Y coordinates, lat and lot. But in your case, you choose what? You choose, it is like, hold on, like this, choose region. Click again here, geo, and then, hold on, yes, geo, say, it can be country code. No, it is not country code. Is it country? It is country, as well as some people have specified cities or states, not country. So I would say just region, you know. Let me try if it's going to work. Region. Maybe it will work. Yes. Okay, click on region. Okay. Say continue. Now it says, you can see now it has been allocated as region. You can see here that the variable type is not numeric, it is region. Okay, Google will identify itself later on. Okay, then click on done, top here.
Sorry, I don't understand.
My phone is Google has popped up, is speaking. Okay, click on done. Okay, so here we are. Now you can see now this is our dashboard is back. The data set has been updated. As you can see here, we have new variables. You can play with those, plug and play. Very simple to use. I will make another. I will make another video. But for now, let's go back again. You know what? Let me stop here, and then we will. In part number 3, we will learn how you can create, how you can add a chart. Okay. Let me stop there.